In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time zone in Adobe Sign. Getting your time zone right in Adobe Acrobat Sign ensures that every agreement you send, receive, and track shows the correct local time. This is especially helpful if you work with colleagues or clients across different regions, or if you need your audit trails to align with your business hours. The good news is you can adjust this quickly from your profile settings. Start by signing in to Adobe Acrobat Sign in your web browser. Make sure you're on the correct account you use for sending and managing agreements. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. It usually appears as your avatar or initials. Click that icon, then choose Settings from the menu that appears. This opens up your account's configuration area. Inside Settings, find the section labeled E-Signing Settings. You'll see an option to edit settings. Go ahead and click that. This reveals more detailed preferences you can customize for your signing experience. Next, look to the left-hand menu and select Personal Preferences. This is where Adobe groups options related to how the app behaves for you as a user. In the My Profile section on the right, locate the time zone setting. It's usually a drop-down list that contains regions and major cities. Open the drop-down and choose the time zone that matches your current location or the region you want your timestamps to reflect. If you're unsure which to pick, look for the closest major city in your area. Selecting by city often accounts for daylight saving time changes automatically, so your timestamps stay accurate throughout the year. Take a moment to confirm that the offset looks correct for your location before proceeding. When you've made your selection, click Save. That's it. After saving, timestamps in your agreement activity logs and system views will update to the time zone you selected. You'll notice this change in places like the audit trail, agreement details, and status views. The actual event history remains the same. It's simply displayed in your chosen local time, which makes reviewing send times, views, and signatures much clearer. If you frequently travel or collaborate across regions, remember, you can return to this setting anytime to adjust it as needed. Keeping your time zone current helps reduce confusion and ensures your records are consistent. Thanks for watching. Now you know exactly where to find and update your time zone in Adobe Acrobat Sign, so your agreements always reflect the right time for you.